I'm going to whip us up a little cocktail here called a Poinsettia, and we're going to use a little Piper Heidsieck.
You mean
champagne.
Poinsettia?
Yeah, Poinsettia. You do the honors, my friend.
Poinsettia. That's how they say it down in New Orleans.
7 keys and.
So it's cranberry juice.
Cranberry juice and vodka.
Oh, delicious.
A little bit of ice. Now you can strain this as well if you wanted to strain this. You could do that.
Where's the vodka?
The vodka is inside.
The cranberry juice.
It's inside the cranberry juice.
Okay.
And what we're gonna do.
Here,
you want me to do that? I'll do that.
Please.
I'll do that.
You did it. You did it. I heard the pop.
It worked.
Oh, yeah.
Happy holidays.
You want this?
Okay.
Yes, please. About 3/4 of the way, my friend. And
you know, women get dressed up these days more than men. Men are casual. Is that your evening outfit?
This is daytime.
How much vodka to how much cranberry?
well, that depends. That depends what kind of mood you want to be in, depending on the ratio.
Okay,
but it's usually 2 to 1.
2 to 1.
2 to 1.
Vodka
And
to
then
cranberry.
We're just gonna top.
2 vodka to 1 cranberry.
That's champagne. That's not vodka.
Yeah. Well, the vodka is in the cranberry.
Oh, it's already
juice.
in there.
So
Here, one for you.
one for you.
Thank you.
Do you drink?
Thank you. Yes.